Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you a native of Tennessee and currently looking for a bird book or bird guide which focuses on everything about birds? If you love nature and would like to have a book on birds, then the Birds Tennessee Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. This field guide has an easy to use format. You don't need to know a bird's certain name or even classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. Enhance your knowledge about birds and identify birds easily by using this book, which is prepared by Stan Kikela. Using this field guide will be a real pleasure for both young and old people. A great way for anyone to learn about the birds in Tennessee. This is ideal for kids, the library, schools, or for collection. This item features full-page color photographs which are comparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. Buy the Birds Tennessee Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about birds in Tennessee. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.